how to add another Gmail account in Android. And on this video, we will see how we can add another Gmail account in Android. So without further ado, let's get started. Launch the Gmail application in your mobile device. And if you're already logged in with your existing account, and if you want to switch or add another account, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. In this menu box, you will find an option as Add Another Account. Tap on it. Tap on Google, enter your device PIN, then you will land on Sign In page. Here, enter your email address, then tap on Next. After that, again, it will ask you to enter your password. Type in your correct password, then tap on Login or Next. And if you have entered the correct login credential, you will be logged into your account. And that's how you can simply add another account in Gmail. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.